Today I'll be sharing my story. So I believe that in everyone's life there are minor, but those moments which trigger or that helps a person to see their life completely in a different way. Uh, there are some of the event that I have come across uh, within the journey of my life so far that has triggered something inside me to see the change in myself and possibly to see the world in a better place. So let me begin with my story. The story revolves around the uh, college life of a child that is already me, and it just revolves around how I participated in a tournament and how we achieved victory, although we were underdogs in it. So let me take all of you to 2 years back when we were not familiar with each other or barely know each other, including PK from the group, as he was my batchmate. So those were the days when I was used to neglect college study and didn't have any clue about the career path that I was going to opt in. The only motive for me to get up early in the morning was to play games, specifically Counter Strike, which was quite popular then. And moreover, if time left, I would love to watch movies or series. Yeah. So with this mindset, the days goes on, and after a few months, there was a event uh, that happens annually in the college level, and there were a LAN gaming tournament, which I was pretty excited about. Like I was like, I need to participate in that tournament. So we were talking about games and we were playing the games all night and all day. And PK knows how much hours we had put into that particular game uh, so that we can grow our skills in it. Yeah. So over to those days. If anyone is not having any clue about the game that I am talking about is Counter Strike. And if anyone does not know about that game, they can assume a cricket or a football game that is being carried out over on whole of the story. All right. So back to the story. So the usual things happen. The team were decided, they divided, and I want to be in the PK's team as PK's and his teammate skills were quite better than what I have achieved till now. But unfortunately, it was a sad outcome for me as I didn't get any chance to pick a win to go went into his team, and I was considered as a secondary. I was considered in for a secondary team while we were in the third year. The whole tournament was going while we were in the third year. So there were two teams that was competing from the third year, the primary team that was of PK and the second team in which I was a part. So in a team, it is very important that the teammate skills are up to that level so that they can compete in an tournament. But for me, it was not only the skill level, although our team skill level was quite low, but the thing that was so frustrating for me that each individual was playing their own game instead of a team game. So somehow the tournament started and we achieved a small success, and somehow we managed to get placed on the semi-final. So we were overall we were quite happy that we were in the semi-final, and we are looking forward to achieve to win this tournament. But a part of the whole team member was quite demotivating, as the team that we need to face off in the semi-final was the final year CSE. That was the best team in the college. So so it was like that at a time we were happy, and sudden of then we realized the reality that, oh no, our skills are not that much and the opposite team are quite mature in that case, so we can't win. So so these were the thoughts that were that were coming all around the teammates. So we decided to have a look on the past experience, that how we have gotten into the semi-final so far. With this note, we keep motivating our teammate, and the day arrives when the semi-final match was scheduled to be happen. So just before the semi-final night, I went to the rival team just to check whether they are doing good or not, or just to get some experience from that, or to see their strategies that they will be using against us. So while we were talking, the semi-final team, the rival team of that particular match just made fun of me that you are so noob and we can just beat you with having 2 to 3 bots in our team. I was quietly disappointment. I was quietly disappointed like that. It was, I just stood silent for 2 minutes and I was thinking that I could curse them, but as they were final year, so I couldn't do anything. I just came back to my team and shared whole the incident with them. The team was demotivated and angry at the same time, as they know that they couldn't do anything about it because the superiority lies into the opposite team. So we all decided that we should back off from the tournament. That was the sad decision that we all took. Like, it's not going to happen that we could defeat them and we could make it into the final. So when we decided this thing, I was just thinking that I got this opportunity. The opportunity was lying just in front of me, that if there is 1% chance of defeating them in their own place, then the outcome will be how that the team will be so proud of the victory. Like, I could dream that victory moment if we could play against them. So with this thought, I came back to my team and just preached some motivational line regarding uh, copied from the internet, and just think that we got a 1% chance to win against it. Wouldn't you take this opportunity and just play that particular match so that we can enter the final? So there was quite silence for a few minutes, and one of the teammates came to me that you are thinking quite good, and I hope that we will achieve that. I can trust in you. So we decided not to back off that time, and the match was scheduled at 8 p.m. But as some of the members were quite busy in the events, so it got delayed. At 9 p.m., the match was still not happening. It was 10 p.m. Few of the players were sleeping, and followed by I also went to sleep. At 11 p.m., the phone rang, and I just got a message that the match is about to begin in half an hour. So I just went to all the rooms and just wake up my teammates, just utho utho utho, and threw waters in their face, and just gave them some motivational line that we can do it. There is still chance that we can achieve this. So we went on to playing that match. So the semi-final match was decided onto the best of 3 rounds. So there were 3 stages: first, second, and third. So whoever wins the 2 stages will be giving a pass to the final final round. So when we arrived at the location, we started playing our first match. And before that, the rival team stated this statement that we wouldn't be playing the third stage. That means they are definitely sure that they will win in the 2 stages only. So that brutal was our loss. So we ignored them and we started playing. And let me tell you that I had heard that confidence is best thing that a person can see, but overconfident leads to some disaster changes. So the final year team was overconfident that they can easily beat us. We are just young talents and we are just noob in that game. So with these thoughts, uh, the final year team played the match, and the first stage uh, we have won the first stage with, I think we have won with luck, I suppose, or the overconfidence that the opposite team had. And we came to the second round, and by that time the final year team came to senses and they thought that यार इन्होंने हमें हरा दिया, अब हमें कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा कि अब हमें इन्हें हराएं, क्योंकि हमारा भी तो कुछ बनता है यहाँ पे. So the second stage started, and we were quite confident that we have easily won the first stage, so we can easily win the second stage. And I was dreaming that the victory is coming here, and the final year have been just cast away from the whole tournament. I was quite happy. But as the second stage starts, we were brutally harassed and we were brutally killed, and in every aspect of the game. We were so defeated that I didn't want to play the next stage also. So the overall result was 1-1, and the tiebreaker stage was the third stage where we started. And by that time, the primary team of the third year and all the batchmates came around, and they were just watching our matches and they were giving constant feedback that you should do this, you should do this, you should change your strategies. And among the teammates, there were quite quarreling that I would not listen to you, why you are doing this and that. So we decided to take on the third round, and as expected, we were constantly getting defeated. And in the mid of the third stage, we decided to take a strategic timeout. And I gathered all of my teammates, along with the PK's teammates, and along with the audience that were coming around in that, but watching that match. They just keep motivating, and PK's teammates were just pointing out the mistake that we are doing and where we can improve it. So with all these ideas, our team just played our regular match, and a small moment arrived when we were playing the third state. The most underperformer of the whole tournament stood up, and he played an important part. So he played so brilliantly that we all were shocked, including the opposite team was shocked that how he can do this. So with that moment, we all realized that if that person can do such thing, what if we all can do and we can achieve this victory? So with this thought, we keep up motivating, and the audience was cheering up, and we slowly, barely just finished just finished the victory. So at that moment when we just finished the last round and we came to senses that the final year team has been knocked out from the tournament, it was quite a achievable moment for me, as in the history that there were nothing like that. There was not even a tournament where the final year team was not playing the final. It was in the first time in the history that the year team was not playing the tournament. So we were considered as the underdogs, and with some motivation, some leadership quality, and the teamwork, we achieved this success. So this was the event that completely changed me as an as a person. So I can with this movement, I can see that every individual effort is countable in the team, and with the team effort, although you are underdogs, but you can achieve greater success with it. So that was my story.